That's
Yo, this quality is so bad.
That's Susie. How do you move myself? I want to move me.
I think you can move it to the side.
Like, full screen. Word, that's Susie though.
I know that. It's Susie.
Are
you recording her? I like
that's
my
Isaac right here. That's Julia.
Is she like mad scared that she's like someone's gonna find out?
What are you doing?
Are you scared? Like... Shake your head. Are you scared or something?
Tiene miedo. Why are you scared of what?
She's always scared of everything. You should be not afraid, like I'm in your background.
Like you're like.
Bill Murray. Really, Bill? Come on, stop being an asshole. Bill, stop. Bad Bill.
He's the fly.
Bill. This is my birdie Bill.
No, it's my
Say
birdie.
hi, Bill.
I'm lying.
Ow! I want to be a pirate. Get on my shoulder. Get on my shoulder. Be a pirate. Oh.
Yeah, Julius's mom's. Julius.
I'm a pirate. Arg.
We have guns.
This is Billy right here. This is Bill. And Isaac's terrified.
No, put it. Oh my god.
Bill, get on.
No.
Bill.
No, get it off of me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get it off me.
Big boy, Bill. Go on.
Yo, get it off me. Get it off.
What kind of black man are you? You're scared of a little tiny bird. Right? What is it gonna do?
I think it's gonna take a. Yo, it like bit me. What the hell?
Hold on. Want me to take it off?
Stop! Stop! Yo, take it off of me now. Yo, let me scratch.
I'll take it off. I'll take it off. No, I'll get it.
Record! What are you recording?
Take it off.
Come on, Bill.
Put it by his face.
No. Oh my god.
What happened?
The Brian.
What happened? I'm recording.
He's playing the drums. And he's playing the piano.
Look. Fuck, no, I can't do it. Tape?
Don't you hate that when you try to do something? Like you can do it normally, but you can't do it like on tape? I hate that. Oh shit.
Shit, I thought it was your mom. I thought it was your mom.
Why are you under there?
Because I'm scared of shit.
Of my bird?
Yeah, I think
you little pussy.
No.
Put it into my hair.
Stop.
Come on,
Put it into his hair.
Go on,
Put it
Brendan's
into his
hair.
hair. He's not gonna be able to get out. It's like a forest.
Oh,
I swear.
Look, it's like, I like it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's gonna shit in there. It's like a little nest for him. He's gonna, yeah, he's pecking at it.
Yo, he likes it. He's like, awesome. I think he's stuck.
Yeah,
So
he
fucking
can't get it out.
I like it. It's my little stay. You don't even move. You're like, you moved your head and you moved his head too. It was like,
Yo, I just saw his like feathers over my head and then I'm like,
He's so scared. He's just like he's gonna bite me.
He's gonna bite.
yeah, it's like you're a
Put it on his head. Put it on his.
Like the Swedish fish.
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Ah! Ah! Okay, no? You wanna just eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Well, wouldn't you just eat it?
Yeah, it's delicious. You love it. You love it. It's room service for your hotel right here. For your hotel. Don't get up.